Hey, what's going on, guys? Josiah Blizzard here, and I have a really awesome behind the scenes video for you today. This is just a little segment, just a small clip from a full 30 minute behind the scenes video that's going over to my membership on Patreon, along with a behind the scenes guide. They're going to be able to see all the prompts and poses I used, and they're going to have access to a lighting breakdown and a reception flash breakdown as well, along with some other little details about this wedding. So if you want the full video and that behind the scenes guide, sign up for the Patreon. Just head to patreon.com/Josiah Blizzard, or you can catch the link in the description below. This is just gonna be a little clip from that full video. So please, I hope you enjoy this, and if you like it, head on over to the Patreon and grab the full thing. So without further ado, let's dive into the behind the scenes. All right, well, here we are at the getting ready location. We're at the bride's mother's house, and we're just shooting around. I'm on a 50mm lens right now, probably opened up to 1.4, and I'm not using any flash. We're just using the natural light in the room, and you can see there's a video light that the makeup artists are using, but really just using the natural light that is in the space, and just capturing, you know, all the things that are happening. You can see my wife Steph was over there in the corner. She probably just finished up shooting details, and she's grabbing some random shots as well. And we're just working our way through the house here, just capturing the conversations that are happening, the people hanging out. And that's really about it. That's really all you can do during the getting ready portion of the day. So we just kind of chill and hang back and just shoot what's happening. All of these images are being edited with my tried and true preset collection, and I'm using the vintage presets. I'm using the vintage warm and the normal vintage, and I've kind of adjusted the grain here and there, and that's what I'm editing with throughout this entire wedding. So this isn't the style of imagery that I delivered to the client, but that's kind of, I've re-edited these images with the vintage preset to see how they look, because I thought that this wedding would look really nice with that vintage style. So we are now at the venue, and I'm photographing the dress hanging. Little quick tip: if you put a clamp behind the dress, it'll give the dress more figure rather than just being a flat piece of fabric against the door. Always get horizontals and verticals too if you can. That helps with getting published and editorial like features, and look for good compositions like I'm doing here, shooting with the railing and leading lines and a frame within a frame.
And take it off the door, and then you're just gonna put it right back on. Yep, just ignore me completely. Yep, go for it. You can use two hands if you need to. Yep.
There you can see the clamp that's behind the dress.
Okay, yeah, put it back.
In this space, we're using just natural light that's coming in through the window, and we made sure to back Allie up enough to where that light that you could see on the carpet there isn't hitting her face, and we're really shooting waist up here, so that light doesn't really matter all that much.
Yeah, he's so great. Isn't everyone?
But it adds actually some nice texture into a shot like that.
Oh, that's great.
Want to make sure we can include everybody in the shot, both sisters and mom. And for moments like this, we're really not too pushy, too I guess directive in what we're doing. We're just kind of letting things happen and placing them, you know, in some good light, and just letting them kind of do their thing and letting things play out.
Are you guys ready?
What you don't see is behind me there's a large bridal party watching from the balcony, which is always, you know, that's up to the preference of the couple if they want people there or not, but they're really close with their friends, and so their friends were there watching the moment with them, which was kind of cool. You can see I'm doing photo and video today. So the A6500 is on a gimbal. You can see that I'm doing both at the same time. The A6500 lens is wide enough to where I'm not going to miss a moment. I'm going to shut up now, and you guys can just listen to me direct.
And then we're going to move around a bit. Allie, the flowers can go in your right hand. Yep, just hold them right in the right hand. They're super heavy probably, right? You can do some curls with them. Yeah, really. You can just grab her by her waist, pull her right into you, okay? There you go. Bring those, bring belly buttons together. There we go. Perfect. And bring the flowers down just a little bit. I know, because they're tall, so they're going to have to, you're going to be flexing. At least your arms will look good, because you'll be flexing the whole time. All right, big smiles here again. Ready? 1, 2, 3. That's great. And again, ready, 1, 2, 3. Looking at each other one more time. Ryan, can you kiss her on the forehead for me? That's sweet. Awesome job, guys. Hey, one more time, sorry, one more time, one more kiss. You're good. That's great, noses back together. Love that, guys. Share one more kiss right there. Beautiful. Don't pull away, just smile real big. Guys, the he's got that. Yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, remembering our training.
You remember the training, that's good. Bring noses together one more time. Allie, I want you to turn and look right at me now, all right? Yeah, there you go. That's great. Allie, can you look right here? Perfect, keep staring right there. All right, I'm redacting this prompt in the YouTube video version, but if you want the full, uncut, uncensored version of this behind the scenes, make sure you sign up for the membership and you can catch the full video over there. Links in the description. It's the laughs afterwards that I want. It's not. Let me get your flowers right here too. Gosh, everything looks so good, guys. All right, looking at each other the whole time. Walk slow, okay?
You have that.
Have what?
Mine's super blurry.
Yeah, it's good. Guys, you look good. I'm trying to avoid that sign behind you. Do I really?
Yeah, it's just on the seam. I can fix that.
Oh my gosh, you guys look amazing. Can you guys bring noses together while you walk? I'll make it hard for you on this cup. I know, it's... People do it, yeah. All right, I'm gonna get a big wide real quick, and then we can work our way in. Hey guys, can I have you scoot that way just a step? Right there is perfect. Right there is perfect. Bring the flowers down just a little bit.
So good.
Right there is great. Bring those noses together. Y'all, that is so good. Guys, this looks so great. Share a kiss right there. Nope, that looks so good.
Holy crap.
All right, I'm gonna come in a little closer. Noses together. How you guys feeling?
Amazing.
Yeah?
Oh, is it better now that you guys are together?
Yes, so much better.
First looks are amazing. I don't know why people don't do them. Share a kiss. Yeah, there you go. Share a kiss. That's great.
Oh, that's awesome.
Perfect. Don't pull away, just smile real big. That's so good, guys. Share a kiss again. Share a kiss again. That's great. Can you kiss her on the forehead again for me, Ryan? I love the classic style too. Like everything just looks so good. Thanks for picking good colors. All right, hey Ryan, can I have you just lean up against this guy here? We might have done this shot with at the session. I just want you to just walk and fit into his arms as best you can. And actually, let me take the flowers from you real quick.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah, we'll do one without the flowers. That's kind of nice, right? Yeah, that's great, guys.
Oh my god.
Perfect.
You need me to move her.
I do. Thank you. Guys, hey, wrap her up real tight, Ryan. Wrap her up real tight. That's great. Perfect. Love that. Forehead kiss again. We're gonna play some games, I think, in a minute. That's great, guys. Guys, can you look at each other while you walk? Allie, can you look right back at my camera here? Look at Ryan again. And right back at me again. Nice.
All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments below. And again, if you want to watch the entire behind the scenes, head on over to my Patreon. You can catch it in the description below. The link is down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.